All right, good morning, y'all. Wasn't always like this. We used to have to just do overheads. But now we've got these really cool items that we use for all of our classes, such as the overhead, computer camera, recordings, iMovie, everything that we need in order to make our movie kind of cool. All right, so here's what I'm using. All right, this little overhead up here. I'm just gonna check it, make sure we're still on, still working. Boy, the memory runs out pretty quick in these things. So I already worked on one of these already. In fact, this is my third one that I've actually done. There's one here, there's one here. But we're gonna go through, we're gonna do it again because you know what? The cameras keep making mistakes. I ran out of memory on the last one. I did the whole thing, and anyway, you don't want to hear it. So this is one of your projects right here. All right. This is going to be your second project over the whole 3-week period. You have those 3 weeks to finish it. You won't have to have them turned in until March the 3rd, I think it is. So have fun with them. We're going to do a positive space and negative space, right? Using kind of geometric designs and figures. And then like on this overhead over here, right here. All right, this is where we get into kind of a technical thing. Now the tools that we're going to use is just a little glue. All right, you can use some scissors, or if you have an X-Acto knife around your house, you can use that. You get these from Ace, really cheap. Be careful with them, please. All right, so what we're going to do is we get our sheet of paper, and each of you will have your own sheet of paper here. You're going to have a square. It looks a little bit like this. That's not cut up. It's going to look a little bit like that. But eventually we're going to create figures like these. I usually like to use a nice color, but you could just do a light color. And then we're going to create some organic symmetry, all right, and asymmetry with our negative space and positive space, the use of our characters. Okay, so these characters here are all positive space. Now, these characters here represent negative space, the negative space portion of this entire piece of artwork. So pretty cool. A lot of really cool artists like Alexander Calder, Sonia Delaunay, just to name a few, use negative space and positive space together in a lot of their artwork. So those are some of the pictures that I showed you, or I'm going to show you in the other segment. Okay. So what I do is I'm just going to go through real quick, cut this out for you, and start gluing it so I don't have to do it again. There you have it, all my puzzle pieces. And there you have it. There is my third completed piece of artwork there in a matter of many times. Hopefully that was fast forward for you a little bit. So with our assignments, we're going to have, this is going to be one of them. You'll have the other sheet that is more of a drawing that's cut out. And if you have any questions, I'm going to link a really cool video in here too. That'll kind of give you an idea of what people can do when they get really good at this. Pretty fun pieces of artwork. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a great week or a few weeks. And hopefully we'll see you when we get back. All right. Remember, life is art and art is life. Have a great week.
Oh man, hey, I almost forgot. It's Valentine's Day this week. So guess what? If you do a Valentine's note-on like this, it can be very special to someone. So here's just a little extra tidbits of ideas that I found on the web. There are tons out there already. And if you do one and you post it or give it to me, I'll give you extra credit for it. And somebody will be very thankful. So your two projects that we're going to have this week are your original organic picture and your self-described picture. Look around, get some ideas, get some inspiration, and have a great week.